see like any changes?
Yeah, you get ready because tomorrow's quiet, but tomorrow night into Thursday, it's when we could see a few storms and some slightly cooler weather. Yeah, so a lot to catch you up on the forecast for this Tuesday afternoon. Here's kind of an hour by hour and a day cast for the next few days. So today, 84, very warm. Tomorrow morning, expect lower 70s. Keep in mind, you know, last week on Monday and Tuesday, we had lows in the 30s and 40s. Our low temperatures through this week are trending in the 70s. So our morning lows are closer to the average high this time of year. So it just shows you how humid it is, and that moisture, that humidity will help produce a couple of showers. Tomorrow morning, mostly light activity early Wednesday, and then into Wednesday night, Thursday morning, areas out west could see a couple of thunderstorms, and those could be severe and producing some localized flooding, which we'll show you on future radar in a second. First, a live look around San Antonio. It's cloudy. It's very gloomy and gray outside. Mostly dry, though. There may be one or two areas of sprinkles out there, but just because it's so humid. And right now it's warm. We're at 80 at Randolph, 82 at Stinson. A couple degrees cooler, if you will, at Castroville at 79, 71 at Bandera, a pair of 7s over in Bulverde, I should say, north of San Antonio. And lots of 80s on the map, lower to middle 80s. We have a southeast wind from the Gulf, and that is transporting a lot of moisture in our direction, setting up the stage for this front to slowly drop in. That'll help generate our next opportunity at more scattered rain and a few thunderstorms. And then on top of that, we have the upper level support. Matter of fact, through the weekend and early next week, this low almost sets up right to our west, and that'll provide waves of rain. Not all day rain, not expecting that, but here's what it could look like as early as tomorrow night. Heads up if you're watching from Del Rio, towards Rock Springs, Real County, even parts of the Hill Country. We are going to see in the beginning scattered storms out west tomorrow night, and some of those could be training thunderstorms, meaning they're dropping rainfall, heavy amounts over the same spots over and over again, which could lead to a flooding threat in our far western counties late tomorrow night into early Thursday. That eventually moves farther east and to Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. And then after that, it clears out for the weekend slowly, and then rain chances ramp back up for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday next week, where when you factor in this next rain event into early next week, we could see an additional 1 to 4 inches of rain between now and next Tuesday, which is why we are in a slight risk for localized, isolated flooding. So we'll just have to keep an eye on radar because it could get active, not just between Thursday and Friday morning, but early next week as well, between Sunday night and Monday and Tuesday. So lots to break down on the forecast. Today, 84 degrees. It's a warm and humid day. Normal high this time of year, 70 to 71. We're at 84. It's incredible. Thursday, scattered to numerous rain showers and a few storms possible. Localized flooding threat. And then by Friday night and Saturday, clearing out. And then look at that. Rain chance ramps back up Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday into next week just before Thanksgiving.